Try this now and see the possibility of making money on forex trading without much losses. Try this. Try this and you will see the possibility of you making cool cash on forex trading. Look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. Look at what we have here. Try this to surprise you that you are making money. If you can't all those things, you will see that you have been able to make cool cash. Look at it. Check it. You have from where it crossed, from exactly where it crossed this place. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Before this, if you have taken from here to this place, you are out of the market and you are smiling already. If you are doing scalping. But if you're a type that love catching spikes, what do? You stay clear of the market and wait for a touch like this, and wait for this wonderful touch here. You see it? Once you see this touch in your 1 hour time frame, in your 1 minute time frame, then you go to your 5 minutes time frame to confirm it. If you go to your 5 minutes time frame, before you catch your spike from 5 minutes time frame. Do you get that? Go to your 5 minutes time frame to catch your spike. Use this place. Look at it here. Use this place. You will take something like this and you're out of the market. Once this thing touched here, leave the market immediately. Once this thing spiked and get to this place and cross over here, then once you start getting closer to this place, leave the market. Don't wait for any further spike. Leave the market. Even if it later spike again, that is none of your business. Leave the market at this point. Look at another one here. Though this one is another one here, but look at it. If you confirm this thing, the green line must be below. The green line must be below. If this green line is below and it has crossed down to this place from your window 1, that means that you will have greater opportunities. And once the thing has touched the lowest level of level 10, you are out of the market. That is how this strategy works. It works for boom 500, boom 300, but powerfully on boom and crash 300. Powerfully boom and crash 300. But remember that boom and crash 300 is so volatile. So please, when trading on boom and crash 300, make sure you use a lot size that is comfortable. Don't use a lot size that can take you out of the market, because analysis is analysis and forex is forex. So anytime you do your analysis and you are not too sure, or you are using your whole capital, your whole equity to trade so that you can make quick money, you are risking the whole capital you have. You have to know what it means to have risk management, which is one of the secrets and one good reason people are still trading and remaining on forex. That is why some of you that paid some people for them to do account management for you, some of them did the thing. Some of them were careful, but they are so greedy enough that they cannot even trade with smaller size. They will see somebody trading with $10 and the spike will come and take up the whole $1,000 because they are stupid and foolish. That is what they can do. So please watch this video carefully and you'll notice what I'm showing you. Now, for you to do your scalping, anytime this thing touch at this level at window 5, 5 minutes time frame, once it is at this level, don't make any mistake. Enter your trade. Confirm this and enter your trade. Even if you take only but 2 candles in 5 minutes time frame, remember that your 5 minutes candle, 1 candle in 5 minutes candle is 5 candles. So if you take 2 candles on 5 minutes time frame, you have taken 20 candles on 1 minute time frame, and at that time you are out of the market and you are smiling and looking at and wait for another opportunity. How I trade sometimes is that if I enter trade on 1 minute time frame, I will do my scalping like 3, 4, 5 candles. I will get out of the market and wait for spike, because I love catching spikes. If I have millions in forex trading, it is spike all the way. So look at it. So that is why I always give indicators mostly on possibilities of you catching spike than doing your scalping. Look at this. This thing is all spike from this place. Now once it has touched to this place, you are out of the market. Okay, you can say, what about the current market of the day? What happened to it? What happened to the current market of the day? Look at this thing now. If you look at this thing now has touched at this very level now. Look at it. Look at it. The green one, look at it. The green one, look at it. The green one now has touched this level. Have you seen it? Making anybody that want to enter trade now to enter to this trade, and it will get somewhere to this place. Either it will get here and drop back again for this thing to balance here, or it will get to this place. By then it has touched this place, it will test it a little bit and continue the journey. Then if it break out here and also break out here and break out this place, you know what it means from the whole journey here, for these things to be here, for the whole thing here to come up like this and get to this level on 5 minutes time frame, somebody is already in huge profit. That is how market works. Do you see that? It's not magic. That is how simple and powerful the market can be. I want to be dropping this video to make you, I'm not good at dropping 10,000 videos, but this one I want to be taking it small, at least 10 to 5 minutes, because sometimes people are complaining that my video is too long. So why it is too long, sometimes they can't be patient enough to watch it all and they're missing out something. So this is how I want you to follow it. Follow this very one and follow the other video I'm dropping immediately after this one. You will see how it works. So for this video now, what you should be doing here now is looking at this place now. It has reached. So what is going up here now is this one. And remember that this is 5 minutes time frame, so the changes are not going to be immediately. So it can spike here now a little to get this thing, cross this thing like this. So the question is, when should I enter my trade? Immediately this thing enter this place and start coming up like this. Let me show you. When should I enter this one now? Like another candle has just opened here now. Watch it. Look at it. Another candle has just opened here now. Let me show you what I'm saying. Another candle just opened here now. And remember, this one is a spike. Get that? So this thing now can pull back, or it can fight these particular resistance levels and conquer it. But look at this thing now has crossed here. Have you seen it? It has touched at this very level. Now since it has touched at this level, why would this thing spike? It can spike to give this thing a full cross so that it can continue from this angle. But if it did not cross, which means it still have the momentum to move a little bit below the, at the upper of this line and start going up like this. Do you see it? So it can happen. So once this thing crossed this line and start going up at this whitish level now, you have an opportunity to enter for 3 candles before it will touch here. If this thing is going to touch here, don't stay in the market and allow this thing touch. Leave the market. If it crossed all these things and refused to spike here, you now enter again, because this place is a resistance zone. You don't enter your trade and remain there at a resistance zone. This is how market works. Please, my name is JDFS. I want to thank everyone for subscribing to my channel, and to you that have not subscribed, please touch that red button there, and it will not cost you. It's just free. It's just free. You don't have anything to pay for it. It's just to support us. It's just to give us an encouragement. And you, my returning viewers for all over the world, the whole 7 continents of the world, are engaged into my video, and I'm happy for that. And my desire is to see you succeed. And I know that one day